Herpes, Treatment and Prevention Guide, Combat Herpes, with antiviral medications like acyclovir or valacyclovir to reduce outbreak duration and intensity. Soothe symptoms with topical creams or ointments. Practice good hygiene, wash hands frequently, and avoid touching or scratching sores. Manage stress levels as it can trigger out. Protect yourself from sun exposure and use sunscreen. Boost your immune system through a healthy lifestyle, including balanced nutrition and regular exercise. During outbreaks, limit intimate contact and use barrier methods during sexual activity. Avoid sharing personal items to prevent transmission. Stay informed, seek medical advice, and prioritize prevention strategies. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more health tips.